Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday 31st of August. We're looking at euro dollar. We've just had our Eurozone inflation data and it's coming ahead of expectations. Eurozone CPI has jumped, let me show you, to 1.5 on headline and 1.3 on the core. That was ahead of 1.4 and 1.2 respectively. Euro has jumped about 20 ticks on the back of that, 20 pips on the back of that, and it's sort of looking to retest that 1909 level again, that breakout level, which had been sort of a base of resistance previously. Having broken to the downside, it turns back into resistance, and the market is sort of testing that as we speak. And it'll be interesting to see if the euro can start to generate, because technically speaking, the hourly momentum indicators have just flipped higher. Look at that MACD crossover buy signal. RSI sort of tracking strongly higher. Stochastics also. So this is now up into what I'd say would be a band of resistance between 1909, basically 1915 was the reaction on Monday, but 1909 to 1960 being 1960 being another near-term pivot. So you've got sort of 50 pips worth of pivot resistance, I'd say, or resistance overhead supply that you need to see the euro travelling through. If you see that pushing through 1960, I think that would be starting to really generate some upside momentum again. 20 big figure is that big psychological level that it sort of failed underneath on Tuesday. But yeah, the euro really has to sort of get through these levels to sort of start to regain a bit of confidence, really, because it looked certainly in the last couple of days to be turning corrective. That strong bear candle yesterday, again, still fairly big legacy, despite the fact that we've had a pop to the upside. The euro needs to get through 1909 and then sort of really move deep up higher into that to sort of start unwinding the legacy of that bear candle yesterday, which is still in there. So yeah, there's still a lot of work, I think, for the near-term bulls to do. Obviously, I still think that this is a buy into weakness euro dollar. You could see if the market sort of fails at that 1909 level and turns back lower, you could see sort of further correction into this support. You've got a big band of support though. 1660 up towards 1845, load of support there. You've got the key support of that uptrend rising now, 1680 area. So there is still realm of sort of further correction, but I still think that there is a nice band of support to hold the euro up. So I'd still be buying into the near-term weakness, but that inflation data could well pop to the upside. It's left a bit of support at 1864. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.